Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can send crypto to another wallet on crypto.com. So first we want to click on the second button at the bottom that says account. So when we click on accounts, then we want to click on crypto wallet and then you want to select the crypto that you want to transfer. So in this case, we're going to use USDT, then you want to click on transfer and here just click on withdraw, and once you're here just click on the external wallet and then you'll want to add a wallet address. So in this case it's going to be Sol, because that is the same address that, but you have to make sure that you're doing this the correct address that you're sending the wallet to. And then you want to copy and paste your wallet's address to the one that you want to send to. Copy and paste it. And then just name the wallet. In this case, I'm going to call it Phantom USDT. Then just click on, so once I click on withdraw, as you can see, I cannot withdraw because there is a 24 hours cooling period. But if you do it, if you do wait for 24 hours, then you just have to repeat everything and it will work out. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.